Hi folks, in this job we will be unloading and unpacking household items from our truck. Yesterday we loaded and packed our truck in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and today we are unloading to complete the move. As you can see, everything was wrapped with utmost care and the truck packing was done as compact as possible. Delicate pieces of furniture and couches were wrapped with moving pads, sofa covers and shrink wrap. We have been loading, unloading, packing and unpacking trucks in Florida for the past 18 years. We also load and unload rental trucks, trailers, shipping or portable containers. Large mattresses were also protected and wrapped for transportation. Check how the walls of boxes are taken down in horizontal layers to avoid collapsing. In this job we had a big amount of wardrobe boxes with clothing, but also with delicate pieces of furniture and chairs. Our truck has a large assortment of dollies, hand carts, panel carts and all necessary moving equipment. As we unload the truck, we keep it clean and organized. We fold our moving pads and recycle the moving boxes. If you enjoyed our moving services video, please give us the thumbs up and subscribe. And that is it. God bless America.